ya Health Nyamira County. Kwanza no te bigaba na mbemono aso kongea ibaga okola abantu ba Nyamira gas. Ega singo jikora na ya health wakisha kuna services guse amagani yari abantu baragane karwa kwa tuburoire guse karwa tabu tuburoire mbanya ariko yanyora sinya gitari cito nande mbanya ariko yanyora si community kiao ikiagera saboniga kilito tagete no gusuya amarwaire kubwa ya weni no gusuya amarwaire ya iga tutumiemo n'abantu baitu bari barase ground bakora community health promoters kuri Nyamira tokoli kitwakorera ikipya tukuruka primary care networks kolingi chi facility chito kurua community mpaka inagitari itene kabisa ya Nyamira County Referral Hospital. Tunyari ko batuko genda sinyumba cyabo kubapima na kuhakikisha kuna amarwaire ari bagwato nyo nkaroro gusonya tayororo tunyari kuyasuye gustoya nyore mapema egere banyari ko bakurwariwa asibare na tunyari ko to kuhakikisha kuna services kiri bago cyabari Nyamira asubungi kera Nyamira ige ko congested mono gusinya gitari kindi kinene torenga kitobara kinya gitari kindi kinke kinyari ko bakiko chiko kora chigasi egere chiba gwene lyange nasi bali ntunyari ko to hakikisha kuna ngabono health insurance ebo jaime kero yomo nanyari kunyoro ubwate health insurance na kabwate health insurance ni nyari ko bage kubakonya wakanira chibesa kero wakanira gitari na into tunyore amapato make egere tunyari ko to kaendeleza afya ya basi kinya gitari chetu nasi community na chiri migo join ya abantu babwate amasomo amanene na ndo bakolega singi egasi bakora intagito ko bajoin buna team leader yabo lakini kuhakikisha buna 20 ntonyara ko batokwa services kiri abantu beto Banyamira baganiti esenjiri bayiganiti na asubugango kwagachi
tuwa tomuyiga woko mubeko alusi Dr. Muwai mune minister ya health umati tuwara abeire tutabwate minister ya health oyoro okonyiga noko bwateranda kubwatera nibere yegasi abere ko mubichera kori mogo itu ataki engaki kori yo mondora to kwanya segas ende kayo kari yento ko background check waje kyo mondo se gasi ya engaki to kanyo ko saba ne ba before na bali ba attended moroje na ba jira so nge na corona bandra ko mundo kuru county yabo andra ikibete yana ba moikiria ngono mundo ba kolega na batadere ko release senjango ja for promotion ikaba ko release oyora bebe chiwopsa before konra mange yone ya kora tomole tete atakorele gas na bakari ko laikipia na osetra so ya samenyeta ntuno mundo tata ko gas tayo way to komi biama
start Nyamira from the statistics we have they are yet to establish the PCS and therefore I believe he is coming in to do a lot of good work. We are also very ready, the way you've seen us come, we are also very ready to support him and by extension Nyamira County because it is also part of our country Kenya and we would want to see him succeed the way he has also succeeded in Laikipia. Otherwise, we come with a greeting from His Excellency Joshua Irungu. I know you had a discussion, and he is releasing him with a very, very clean heart. And being the son, in fact, he calls him son, and I've heard him call him dad because they started with him the evolution journey. I believe he'll come and also add a lot of value in this side of Nyamira. Otherwise, we are very, very grateful for this function and also identifying again one of our own to become to spearhead the health in Nyamira. Thank you so much.
I will reinforce Dr. Muwai very instrumental in creating the health service, moving services to the point closest to the citizen. So thank you very much. I'm sure the Laikipia team knows some of us will be here already. You heard Your Excellency talking about the revenue meeting he's going into. Myself and your colleagues here, we have been involved in that effort to grow revenue or to, well, bring our experiences from Laikipia to work with Governor Nyaribo's team to grow own source revenue. I'm sure you know FIF is a key component, and has already been said here. So personally and on behalf of the revenue side of things, we thank His Excellency for affording us the opportunity to add value. And I think this is what should happen around the country, is that we should use all the experiences of all of us to build a better republic. And Waziri should in turn thank Governor Gongo for reaching that and I hope that others who may be called upon to serve in different corners of the republic will get similar support. That's how we are going to build and transform Kenya. So thank you very much.
Thank you. It's really overwhelming. I've seen people being escorted by wives, their families, but I've not seen the whole county of Laikipia escorting Dr. Mogoi and wishing him all the best. It means they loved him, but and they have allowed him to come. We thank you so much, and thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Asante sana.
Thank you.
Waziri.